You might say, oh, it's just a smile. It's not just a smile. It's not just a tooth. It's never just a tooth. For me, it's a smile, it's a person. There's a person attached to that tooth. And I've seen the tremendous impact that my dentistry has been able to make on patients. I grew up in Lynchburg, Virginia. I went to EC Glass High School, and then I went to the University of Virginia for my undergrad. I studied biology and Italian and minored in English. And then I came straight here to VCU for dental school. Over the past 4 years, I have grown as a leader. I have grown in my passion and interest, specifically in public health, especially through my research project with the Department of Juvenile Justice. I have learned how important it is to me that I serve the underserved. I have a loved one who is incarcerated, and the summer before I started dental school, I went and visited him for the first time in 10 years. And something that I noticed was that he had significant dental decay. I approached the research department here at the School of Dentistry and told them about my interest in criminal justice reform and pediatric dentistry, and asked if there were any opportunities to combine those in a research project. And I was told that I could get connected with a dentist at the local juvenile correctional center. So on Friday afternoons, I started shadowing there. I noticed that the walls were very stale and white and bare, and with the help of Dr. Tegwin Brickhouse, I started a research project in which I asked the question, can the color of an operatory room influence and affect the anxiety of committed youth and adolescents in a correctional center? And it was a very successful project, and we came to the conclusion that color does in fact have a clinical significance in lowering anxiety in committed youth in dental operatory rooms. It wasn't statistically significant, but I am still proud of the project that we completed, because I do feel like we're on a good path towards exploring and answering questions about ways in which to improve the experience of oral health care in committed youth. Probably the most impactful experience I had while in dental school here was I had the opportunity to treat a patient from start to absolute finish. She had kind of lost sight of who she was and how she wanted to appear, and I said, I can make you smile again, and I can make you feel confident in yourself again if you just trust me and allow me to take you on this journey. And so actually 1 year later, almost to the day, we delivered her complete over complete dentures after extractions, a lot of surgery, and probably over 40 appointments together. We finally gave her a beautiful smile that she is so proud of and so happy. I'm very excited to say that I will be moving to Cincinnati, Ohio for a 2-year pediatric dentistry residency program at Cincinnati Children's Hospital. I feel like VCU School of Dentistry has equipped me to move on to residency and to be a leader in this profession. I actually think that if it weren't for me wanting to specialize, I do believe I could go into private practice tomorrow. I still have a lot to learn, and learning is a lifelong adventure, but I do feel like VCU has done a very good job. I just want to say thank you to the attendings, the faculty, the professors here who have made me into the future dentist that I'm going to be. In fact, about 1 month from today, I'll get to call myself Dr. Sullivan. I feel like I've earned that. I've worked really, really hard, but I couldn't have done it without the support system that I have here. I'm grateful for my classmates who have been there with me every step of the way, and I'm looking forward to a bright future.